Good morning, student. Today we do study about the business to consumer. So this is my new video on e-commerce. So students, like and subscribe this video. So now we see what is B2B in detail. So students, B2C, the acronym for business to consumer, is a business model based on transactions between a company that sells products or services and individual customers who are the end users of these products. The B2C e-commerce definition suggests the commerce transaction through a company website featured with online catalog. So, B2C e-commerce refers to the process of selling to individual customers directly. An example of a B2C transaction would be someone buying a pair of shoes online or booking a hotel. So, students, in a business to consumer e-commerce environment, companies sell their online goods to consumers who are the end users of their product or services. B2C is an online business selling to individual customer. Example, Amazon.com or Flipkart.com are the general businessman who sells consumer products to end user consumers. In B2C, all transactions take place between business house and the final consumer. Usually, B2C e-commerce web shops have an open access for any visitor, meaning that there is no need for a person to log in order to make any product related inquiry. A website following the B2C business model sells its products directly to a customer. A customer can view the product shown on the website. The website will then send a notification to the business organization via email, and the organization will dispatch the products, goods to the customer. The B2C e-business includes retail sales, often called e-retail, and other online purchases such as airline tickets, railway tickets, entertainment venue tickets, hotel rooms, and shares of stock. So these are the various examples of the B2C business model. So now you understand, I think you understand what is the meaning of B2C models, e-commerce models, and how it is useful to our day-to-day life. So now we go on the advantages of B2C models. Already I told you that B2C models is B2C e-commerce model is very useful and very important today's in our life. So first advantage of B2C e-commerce, that is catalog inflexibility. Then second, shrinks the competition gap. Next, unlimited marketplace. Then the fourth advantage is, that is 24-hour store reduce sale cycle. Then lower cost of doing business. Next, removing third party clients. Then business administration made easier. Then frees your staff, and then customers appreciate it. The next advantage, that is more efficient business relationships. and last, that is workflow automation. So now you understand that there are so many advantages of B2C e-commerce models. We see more advantages of B2C model, then you understand how it is important, how B2C model is important in the e-commerce concept. So first advantage, or we say that the next advantage of B2C model, that is it can display information, pictures and prices of products or services without spending a fortune on colorful advertisement. Then next, it can reach worldwide market with unlimited volume of customers. It can operate on decreased, little or even no overheads. Next advantage, order processing and easier task than before. More advantage of B2C, that is consumers can shop any time of day from the privacy of their own home. Internet shopping can be done at time either day or night. And then consumers can shop online without hassles like traffic, congestion of the malls, etc. So we see the explanation of the advantages of B2C e-commerce. Now the disadvantages of B2C e-commerce, that is infrastructure problem, competition problem, limited product exposure, security. So these are the drawbacks of B2C e-commerce. In detail, we see the explanation of these disadvantages. So students, technological problems can cause the website to not operate properly, thereby losing the customer. Next disadvantage, that is people are hesitant to enter the credit card details if the website does not have proper security norms. Next, many websites offering the same product to the customers. Next, security issues such as credit card information, which is very sensitive, fraud, rip-offs are very common on the web. And last disadvantage we will see now, that is customer service may not be satisfactory for the consumers. So students, these are the drawbacks of the B2C e-commerce, but we see that the advantages are more in compared to the drawbacks of B2C e-commerce, so that it is very popular nowadays, and every customers, besides some few customers, if we leave, many customers are doing online shopping. So it is very common B2C model of e-commerce. In the next lecture, students, we will see C2C, that is consumer to consumer, and C2B, consumer to business. So good day.